the GWM Tank 300 has established itself as a formidable contender in the off-road SUV segment, offering a blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and premium comfort. As we enter 2025, the GWM Tank 300 continues to evolve, cementing its reputation as a go-anywhere vehicle that appeals to adventure seekers and urban explorers alike. This article takes a deep dive into the Tank 300, exploring its design, performance, off-road capabilities, technology, and overall value proposition. The Tank 300 boasts a bold and aggressive exterior design, drawing inspiration from classic off-roaders while incorporating modern styling elements. Its boxy silhouette, high ground clearance, and muscular stance immediately convey its rugged nature. Up front, the LED headlights, large grille, and pronounced fender flares give it a distinctive look that sets it apart from conventional SUVs. The Tank 300 is available in multiple color options, including vibrant and stealthy shades, catering to a diverse audience. The attention to detail in its design ensures that it not only looks tough but is also aerodynamically efficient and practical for off-road excursions. Under the hood, the GWM Tank 300 is powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, the SUV ensures smooth power delivery and efficient fuel consumption. In 2025, the Tank 300 also offers a hybrid variant, combining a turbocharged engine with an electric motor to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions without compromising performance. The Tank 300's powertrain is designed to provide excellent acceleration and towing capabilities, making it suitable for both city driving and off-road adventures. One of the standout features of the Tank 300 is its exceptional off-road capability. Built on a rugged ladder frame chassis, it is engineered to handle the toughest terrains with ease. The Tank 300 is equipped with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system, complete with multiple drive modes tailored for different conditions, such as sand, mud, snow, and rock crawling. The advanced terrain management system automatically adjusts power distribution, traction control, and suspension settings to optimize performance. Additionally, the SUV comes with locking differentials, ensuring maximum traction in challenging conditions. With an impressive approach and departure angle, along with generous ground clearance, the Tank 300 can conquer steep inclines, deep water crossings, and rocky trails with confidence. Inside, the GWM Tank 300 offers a premium cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and modern technology create an inviting environment. The SUV features a large infotainment touchscreen with an intuitive interface, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including off-road telemetry and navigation assistance. The Tank 300 also boasts a premium audio system, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and ambient lighting, enhancing the overall driving experience. Comfort is a priority, with plush leather seats, ample legroom, and ergonomic controls ensuring a relaxing journey, whether on long road trips or urban commutes. Safety remains a key focus for the Tank 300, with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, providing an extra layer of protection. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system contribute to a secure driving experience. The reinforced body structure, multiple airbags, and stability control systems further enhance passenger safety. The Tank 300 has received high safety ratings, making it a reliable choice for families and adventure enthusiasts. One of the biggest advantages of the Tank 300 is its value proposition. Despite its premium features and rugged performance, it remains competitively priced compared to luxury off-roaders. GWM offers multiple trim levels, allowing buyers to choose a configuration that best suits their needs and budget. The hybrid variant, introduced in 2025, provides an eco-friendly alternative for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing power. Additionally, the Tank 300 comes with an attractive warranty package, ensuring long-term peace of mind for owners. The Tank 300 also excels in practicality, offering a spacious cargo area that can accommodate camping gear, sports equipment, and luggage with ease. The rear seats can be folded down to create even more storage space, making it an ideal companion for road trips and outdoor adventures. The SUV's towing capacity further adds to its versatility, allowing owners to haul trailers, boats, and other heavy loads effortlessly. Customization is another highlight of the Tank 300. GWM offers a range of accessories and aftermarket upgrades, allowing owners to personalize their vehicle to match their specific needs. From roof racks and auxiliary lighting to upgraded suspension and off-road tires, the Tank 300 can be tailored for extreme adventures or stylish urban driving. This level of customization makes it a favorite among off-road enthusiasts who enjoy modifying their vehicles for enhanced performance and aesthetics. In terms of driving dynamics, the Tank 300 strikes a perfect balance between ruggedness and refinement. The suspension system is tuned to absorb rough terrain while maintaining a comfortable ride on highways. The steering is precise, providing good feedback for both on-road and off-road conditions. The vehicle's sound insulation minimizes road noise, ensuring a quiet and enjoyable driving experience. The hybrid variant introduces an additional layer of smoothness, with the electric motor providing instant torque and seamless acceleration. As the automotive industry shifts towards sustainability, GWM has incorporated environmentally friendly technologies into the Tank 300. The hybrid model reduces emissions and fuel consumption, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious drivers. Additionally, the use of recycled materials in the interior and energy-efficient manufacturing processes align with global efforts to reduce the environmental impact of vehicle production. The Tank 300 has gained a strong following in various markets, including Australia, the Middle East, and Asia. Its growing popularity is attributed to its ability to compete with established off-road brands while offering a unique blend of affordability, technology, and reliability. Enthusiasts appreciate its retro-modern design, reminiscent of classic 4x4s, combined with cutting-edge features that cater to modern demands. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with owners praising the Tank 300 for its durability, comfort, and off-road prowess. Many users highlight its reliability in extreme conditions, from desert dunes to snowy mountain trails. The community of Tank 300 owners continues to expand, with online forums and social media groups dedicated to sharing experiences, modifications, and adventure stories. Looking ahead, GWM is expected to introduce more innovations to the Tank 300 lineup. Future updates may include advanced electrification options, AI-driven driver assistance features, and enhanced connectivity solutions. As competition in the off-road SUV market intensifies, GWM is committed to staying ahead by continuously improving the Tank 300 while maintaining its affordability and rugged appeal. The GWM Tank 300 is an exceptional SUV that combines off-road capability, modern technology, and affordability in a single package. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a city driver looking for a stylish and reliable SUV, or someone who appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the Tank 300 delivers